Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course, just where we have seen this has been on uptrend right from here, and it is still on uptrend. It has gotten to this resistance, it has not been able to break out from there, so it is still on uptrend. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Not until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone, that is when it's going to sell. Okay, now let's move on to GainX 999. So this is GainX 999. GainX 999 has been on downtrend right from here, and this is still selling because it is breaking out from most support zone. So once it breaks out from this support zone, then it's still going to sell more. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So you guys should take advantage of that. Okay. Now let's look at the next asset, which is going to be PNX 1200. PNX 1200 has been on downtrend right from the resistance and got to this region, had a pullback and came back down again. Yesterday, I told us about this and I said it's going to smash all these TPs. And as you can see, it smashed all the TPs and it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. However, we are expecting it to also break out from there because it is on downtrend right now. The only reason it will not sell is if it is unable to break out from there, then it will switch into an uptrend at that particular point. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from this support zone. The next asset is going to be PNX 999. Let's check it out together. PNX 999 has been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, tried to go back on uptrend, but had a pullback and even broke out above the resistance zone. So it has gotten to a new resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So I'm expecting it to sell. That is, if it activates this, at least it should get to this particular spot first. It should get here first. Okay, so we should expect that. And if it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to sell more. So I am expecting more selling opportunity from there, except if it breaks out above the resistance zone. That is when it will keep on buying. Okay, now let's move on to the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. For FX volume 80, it had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back there again, still had another one. And right now it has gotten there again and trying to sell. So I'm expecting it to sell. And if it sells, then definitely it should get to this support region easily. So I'm putting my TP here. So if this is activated, and right here is my stop loss. But if it is not activated, then it will go back to the resistance zone and break out from there. So I am expecting more selling opportunity from there also. Okay, except if it breaks out from the resistance zone, that is when it will buy. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.